next trick I'm going to teach you today is called the wrist whip. This is a cool trick. It's similar to plastic whip. If you didn't learn plastic whip already, it's the one where it comes over your thumb. Go take a look at the video, learn the motion of that, because it might help you out. Wrist whip is a similar motion, except it's done sideways. It's done from breakaway. It looks like that. What's cool with this trick is you can actually modify it by swinging the string around more and then whipping the yo-yo like that. Let me show you what it looks like. So this is one. You can go around twice and hit it. And we'll see if I can do this. Sometimes with a little practice you can hit 3 around like that. That's a triple wrist whip. It's a great trick on stage. It looks really flashy, really impressive if you just hit it and then go into another trick. So let me teach you the basics. What you want to do is throw a strong breakaway, as I mentioned. Let the yo-yo swing down to the bottom like that. You take your throw hand and hold it straight out, like so. What you're actually going to do is you're going to push it to the right, and you'll notice you pop the yo-yo up and push it to the right in the same motion. It's kind of like how we did the sidewinder. It comes over, and the string, as it does this, is going to whip around the side of your wrist. It's going to shoot underneath your wrist, and it comes in and connects with the yo-yo gap, and will catch it like so. Let me show you again what this looks like. So let's hold it like that. You whip it underneath and into the yo-yo gap, just like so. One more time. Looks like that. One of the key things to think about is you want to try and line up the string with the edge of your wrist, kind of. That's going to help when you come towards the yo-yo. If you line that up with your wrist, line up the string, and then line up the yo-yo gap into that, that's what's going to help you hook the yo-yo into it. To get out of it once you're in it, because it's kind of a weird mount, you actually just take your throw hand pointer, your non-throw hand pointer, push it into the string and pop out of it. It'll come right out. You want to pop out the back side of it. Once again, looks like, let me do it from this angle for you. Looks like this. So we wrist whip it, you push your finger in, and you pop back out, just like so. That's a basic wrist whip. To do what I was doing before with more variations, you can just whip around and then hook it in with your wrist. You can do it about as many times as you want. Just practice it. 2 is usually a good one to start with. Practice it, do it, and impress people.